Today, the market should have stagnated since the macroeconomic calendar is empty today. However, if there are no important macroeconomic reports, the market could be influenced by comments provided by various politicians and officials. It happened that the US president has become the main newsmaker today. President Joe Biden said the US military would intervene to defend Taiwan in any attack from China. Notably, on February 24, when Russia launched a special military operation in Ukraine, Western mass media immediately emphasized that China might take the same measures concerning Taiwan. In addition, on the same day, information about China's invasion of Taiwan appeared in the press. Curiously, this topic is still on the agenda. The issue is actively promoted by the US mass media. Today, the US president has announced his readiness to start a war with the largest global economy, which has the biggest army in the world. What's more, China is one of the countries that has a nuclear weapon and means of its delivery. Joe Biden's announcement frightened investors. That's why, since the beginning of the trade, the US dollar has been rapidly falling. The slump will stop only if the US officials refute the claims. In fact, the American press has done this repeatedly, stating that the president was misunderstood. Now let us switch to the trading charts. The euro-dollar pair closed the previous week near the upper limit of the earlier broken range of 1.05 and 1.06. This fact signaled that the upward correction is still in force. At the beginning of the new trading week, the euro-dollar pair consolidated above the control level of 1.0636. Thus pointing to the ongoing rise. Under the current conditions, the correction process may allow the pair to climb to 1.0730 and 1.08. Meanwhile, the pound-dollar pair managed to surpass the resistance level of 1.25 after a small pause. As a result, the pair continued growing from the support level of 1.2155. The first signal of the pre-launched correctional movement was received after a break of 1.25. To prove this signal, the pair should settle above the control level on the daily chart, and in this case, bulls will have every chance to jump to 1.2635 and 1.27. Otherwise, the pair may drop below 1.2500 and stagnate. How we're going to be in the short term, we will definitely tell you in our next news release. Don't miss them. Subscribe to our channel and follow news with us. See you soon.